How to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, PC, or laptop. So if you want to download and install Google Chrome in your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open any browser that you have. Like you may have Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Brave or any other browsers. So I'll just simply go with Microsoft Edge. Once you open your browser, you'll have the search icon. From the search icon, you can search for Chrome. After searching for Chrome, if you scroll down, then you'll find Google Chrome right here, the fast and secure web browser. You need to click on it, which will take you to this kind of interface. So you can just simply go with download Chrome, which is on the middle of your screen, and it will download Google Chrome on your PC or your laptop. But make sure that your Windows is 10 or 11, which will be easy for you to download. But there's no problem with Windows 7. You will still be able to download or install your Google Chrome in your Windows 7 PC or your laptop. So that's it. From here, you'll be able to install it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.